Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. It's almost Valentine's Day, so the theme for this week was chosen by Guylene from Guylene325, and here are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos, and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. For my base, I chose these two beautiful polishes, this red one from Pure Ice, which is called Siren, and one of my favorite Brave Steel polishes called Peppermint Bark in the Park. To stamp, I'll be using images from these two Ajubas plates. I'll start off with my Maniology red stamping polish called Fireside. With a piece of tape, we can remove the excess. I'll use my black Beauty Big Bang stamping polish, which is number 2, to pick up this image. Now we'll fill it in with different polishes. Now we wait for it to dry. Before we place the skull image on this nail, we're going to go ahead and stamp the same image with this lighter pink shade. And to make sure the image pops on the nail, we're going to apply white nail polish. Now that it's dry, we can stamp it directly onto the nail. To finish off, we add the Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And this is the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!